Welcome to my review of RealCrowd, an online platform designed to connect investors with institutional quality real estate investment opportunities. RealCrowd stands out for offering a curated selection of real estate projects, making it easy to invest in high-quality deals without the traditional barriers to entry. If you've been looking for an accessible way to diversify your portfolio into real estate, this platform could be a great option. When you first land on the RealCrowd homepage, you're immediately greeted by a clean, modern interface. The website is designed to be user-friendly, with easy navigation that helps you quickly understand the investment options available. At the top of the page, you'll find key features such as how it works, the available investments, and educational resources to guide you. You could also sign up directly if you're ready to get started, but I recommend exploring the site a little first to see the different investment opportunities they have. The investment opportunities themselves are a major selling point for RealCrowd. The platform offers deals in various real estate sectors including commercial, residential, and mixed-use properties. RealCrowd typically focuses on larger, institutional-grade projects that you wouldn't normally have access to unless you're an accredited investor with significant capital. It's a platform that aims to democratize real estate investment for a broader range of people, offering lower minimum investment amounts than traditional real estate ventures. Once you create an account, you can browse the current offerings and filter by location, investment type, or expected returns. Each listing provides detailed information, including projected returns, timelines, and financial details. This level of transparency is one of the platform's strongest points, as it allows you to make informed decisions before committing your capital. In terms of fees, RealCrowd is competitive with other platforms in the industry, although it's important to understand that the fees vary depending on the type of investment and the project itself. It's always a good idea to read through the fine print before committing to an investment. As with any financial platform, RealCrowd also provides educational resources to help users understand real estate investing, from beginner tips to more advanced strategies. Whether you're new to real estate or an experienced investor, this platform offers helpful tools to guide you through the process. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Overall, RealCrowd offers a strong platform for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios with high-quality real estate. The site's user-friendly design, combined with its transparent investment opportunities, makes it a great option for both new and experienced investors. However, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with others who might be interested in RealCrowd. Thanks for watching.